Brampton Island resort is abandoned. The
Oh,
resort was severely damaged by Cyclone Yasi in 2011 and has been closed ever since, despite plans for a luxury redevelopment. The resort has fallen into disrepair.
Here we are at the once booming Brampton Resort. What a shame, there's a caretaker here nowadays and not much else. Hey Steffi.
exactly. We thought we were coming over here to have a nice pina colada by the pool.
Yeah.
Don't think so.
She
Come and
went
show us.
down.
This pool's just up here.
Yeah, we're going to have a look at the pool. But she went down in what? Cyclone Yasi.
2011.
Yeah. Shame. There's this for a resort pool.
This used to be an amazing pool.
What a spot. Look at the view. Shame.
There's still furniture up there on some of the balconies, and some of the doors are still open. Some are smashed in. It's really very sad. But over here is where the caretaker is living. He's got everything set up there. Got a good setup.
There we go. I think golf is called, isn't it? Distance thing. Fantastic. So I just
What is it?
quickly checked
Tell
the
everyone what it is.
distance.
It's a distance finder.
Yeah.
Like a tape
Range,
measure.
range finder.
Range finder.
That's it. That's the name
Yeah.
of it.
Well, yeah, that's it. So what's the boat? 173 metres behind
Yeah,
us.
you have a look and you go 100 metres and then you use that and it's 173.
Yeah.
That's good because we've got to put out about 50 metres of
Get
change.
one of these guys. A range finder.
Range finder, that's it. You can see I don't play golf. Yeah.
Any of these little gadgets are worth it. Just
Yeah, it's just handy. You can get your distance from shore, or from my case right now, distance from another boat. The amount of chain you got to put out. You want to make sure you're not going to drift back onto someone who wouldn't be happy about that. No, we'll be a fair way off here. Wow!
whoa, she's screaming at us.
It was! Yeah.
Woo!
A lot of line. Might just be a tuner, isn't it?
Do you need the gaff?
Back on.
Whoa.
Not too bad. Yeah.
Do you want the gaff, hun?
That was good. It looks like it's just a small Spaniard, but he's a little ripper. Oh. Actually, he's more spotty, isn't he? Oh.
Hell yeah, he's a good fish.
Yep.
Nice. Bubble like that. Bob, what do you think? So pretty, Bob. Bob's life.
And also, brush your dick off.
Happy? Happy?
Oh.
practice a simple
join
Tai Chi
me for some Tai Chi. This is my first time, so
Don't worry
please
too much about
bear
the
with me.
details of the physical
Ready?
movements themselves. With that in mind, let's get started. Let's practice a simple Tai Chi form together. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees relaxed and bent slightly. Imagine you're surrounded by energy, that you're floating in this energy. Take your two hands and gather this energy. Disperse and spread it out. Gather it back into yourself and feel it sink. All spread. Gather. Spread. Gather. Spread.
Wow, so I've been walking for over an hour now, which is really cool. It's great to get off the boat and actually move. But this shirt is awesome for sun protection, but it's hot. Can anyone give us any recommendations for any light SPF sun wear? So I've had melanoma too now, and so I have to learn now to be very sun savvy and just cover up. So if anyone's got any good recommendations for some light, fashionable sun rashes, yeah, I'd be open to some recommendations, please. Thanks guys, because this is really quite hot. Baz is on. Just arrived here at Shore Island, one of our favourite places. And he's fly fishing and he is on. Good on you, babe. Woohoo!
How good is that? On the fly.
On the fly.
Gotta be happy with that.
Just had some people come around and asked us to come over and start cleaning up one little section of the beach where all the rubbish and plastic washes in.
Yep, we're going to help save the Great Barrier Reef Islands.
With a bag of rubbish.
Everyone helps.
Yes, every bag helps.
It'll help. We get so sick of seeing plastics on the beach.
Yeah.
It's crazy. So, yep, we're going to do our bit. Actually, you can scan this code and everyone can help.
Rubbish. There's Steffi picking up her rubbish.
Yeah, look what I found.
Toothbrush.
Show everyone.
That
A toothbrush.
with no bristles.
No.
Everyone else, look at that. Volunteers, don't you love it? Clearing up all these plastics.
Have a look at this. Check this out.
Rubbish City. Look at that.
Absolutely terrible. Look at all
Well,
the
probably
plastics.
people piling it up.
Yeah. What are we doing here today?
So today this is the start of the Island Guardian program. We are sailors, we're commercial skippers, and we started Ocean Crusaders here in Whitsunday 2010. If we don't clean up, who will? And now it's so many yachties out here that want to help, but they can't have their rubbish back on the boat.
Yep.
So this week and in 2 weeks' time, we're going to have our landing barge out, and we will clean up different beaches together with the yachties.
Beautiful.
And we will take the rubbish back ashore with us.
Terrific.
In the future, we want to create a system where we can work with the yachties, and we come and pick up the rubbish when they
Come into the marina.
we come into the marina. We'll leave it above the high tide mark, but we need to get that to the government first.
Yeah.
Because even if the trash is out here, if we leave it back, we have left something. So we
Yeah.
don't want that.
That
So
makes sense.
we working through the hoops, and we'll
Yep.
have a system hopefully up and running perfectly next week.
Very good.
And
Awesome.
look here on the back, you can actually, hopefully you can see that. You can scan the QR code and get everyone to help save the Great Barrier Reef Islands. And look, I found a toothbrush. Might come in handy. Ocean Crusaders!
Today we have cruises from, what's your boat's name?
Right. That's the ropes go. That's not our rope.
Optimist. What's your boat, Lynn? Size McClay and Jaybird. We are cleaning Shore Island in the Whitsundays.
Collected heaps of rubbish off the beach.
Carting the rubbish bags back. We should have picked up a lot lighter stuff. I think just bottle caps and polystyrene. These bags are pretty heavy.
Ocean Crusaders waterway cleaning. Woo! This is Mark.
Captain Mud.
Captain Mud.
I'm making bread. So, bread. So I've got 525 grams of flour, 17 mils of oil, and ginger beer. No, 395 grams of lukewarm water. So I'll put it all in and just give it a mix, and this is the shaggy dough. Okay, so here's my dough, my shaggy dough, and this stage is called auto lathes. So now we just let this sit with a tea towel covering it for 30 minutes. So we've just added 1 3/4 teaspoons of salt, so 3 grams of yeast and 50 grams of lukewarm water. And now, just have to pinch this together, and this is the process. This is a gooey bit. We have the bread this morning, the dough. Oh, wow! This is so cool! Here it is. Wow! This is the dough, so push, oh, push. Beautiful, perfect, little bubbles. So now I'm just going to let it sit out and be in the warmth for 45 minutes, and then I'm going to bake it for breakfast. Woohoo! And action! She's ready. My 2 little loaves are ready to go in now, so we pop it in for 20 minutes on 220, and let's see how it goes.
It's pretty close. I'm just doing the regular maintenance. One of the big ones is replacing the anodes. So I've done the anodes on the hydraulic side of things. So the hydraulics, because they get used a lot, pulling water all the time to cool, so the anodes were gone. Whereas up on the upper section here, we still had good anodes. So it's mainly these ones are going to get done in a couple of months. These ones probably every 5 to 6 months. And then on the engines, there's 2 on the water intake side, one up on the top and one underneath on each engine, and they get done about every 6 months. And they weren't too bad at all. So it's just mainly hydraulics to keep check on those. The gyro also has a little anode in it, so that was replaced, another little pencil type anode. So it's been done, and now we're up for servicing the generator, which is sort of every 200 to every 250 hours. So this time I'll pull the panel off and I'll do an oil change, anode change, and do the impeller change.